So I've been gone for a while, practically that's a tea, so sorry about that. So we're going to be making buns today because why the heck not? I think I know about a million reasons why not. Obviously we're going to be freaking amazing at it. Shh. This is probably a bad idea. Whatever, so. Brilliant teacher mode, because I am a brilliant teacher to all of my subscribers, like all 30. I don't even know how many I have, but this is the tea right now. How peng was I? Just like, look at that rare beauty. You don't get that usually, do you? Shh. Do I look good? I hope the heck I do. So, hi parents. Or does that dog look like he's having the time of his life? Is the tea ready, even though it's hot chocolate? Ah, shit. I can't even put my lips on the cup. Aren't me and my friend beautiful? When I was 10 years old, when I was 12, how have I changed? Not that much. I was an artist, like. So the camera kind of just like went all cuckoo on me, but it's fine because we got the backup camera, so. Hi, backup camera. Welcome. So this is going great. Totally. I'm gonna get two different perspectives. So I don't even know what we gotta do first. Like, let's have a look. So we've got to put the butter and the sugar in a large bowl. I don't even know what weighing to do for this. So I'll be second camera. I'll be right back. So I don't really know. Up here to weigh the stuff, but so we've got 100 grams of butter softened. What the hell does that mean? I don't really know. Welcome to the messy kitchen where everything is messy. Butter, right, so here's the butter. See, I'm 12, I'm not perfect at this. So weighing scale. There we go. How much do we need of this again? 100. I don't even know how many we're supposed to make. But now I need sugar. So it's so good. Okay, cast the sugar. Oh god, how much do we need of this again? 100. And beat it with a wooden spoon. Do we have a wooden spoon? I really don't know. I don't know whether this camera can see me well, but I like this. Beat it. How do you beat it? Just beat it. Just beat it. How the hell do you beat something? It's light and fluffy. Okay. Just beat it. Tell you what, I'll put some hand gel on you just to soften it out. So right now they're not looking creamy at all. Like they're looking like a piece of shit. Is this creamy to you? Probably. Let's show this camera because we haven't showed this camera or anything. Is this creamy to you? I don't really know, but we're going with it. Oh my god, I forgot about my tea. Fine, it's still hot. Oh my god, what to do? Break the eggs into a small bowl and beat them with a fork. Now I've got to go wash my hands because I'm breaking eggs, so you know, that's pro stuff. I gotta get the eggs, like, this is hard because I'm pretty good at breaking eggs, but last time I broke eggs, I kind of like messed it up. How many eggs do you need? 2 eggs. Yeah, let's just pour this in. Did it say pour it in? Oh god, I did something a bit wrong. I didn't put the warm water in, but let's just put some warm water in here.
Recording? Is it still recording?
Has it stopped?
I don't know. I just wondered because I don't know.
Yeah, it's still recording.
You want to get that one here, Chef?
So this is the result. Right, for now, anyway. So, I don't really know. I kind of made them all by myself, which is a bit surprising because you know me. Where is this? Oh my god. One sec, guys. Gotta get the tea. So guys, they actually look pretty decent. Like, they're looking pretty good, you know, except this one, which is a bit, you know. I kind of ran out, and that one's just like a, you know, look pretty good a bit. I mean, they're a bit squishy and stuff, but they look pretty good. To say that, I literally like rushed these like crazy. But they look pretty good, and I'm sorry if the quality of this video has been like pretty terrible. I mean, I can't really help it. But at least you guys have got a video, like, so I kind of want to try this little one and see if it's what I wanted it to be. See how small this is? They're pretty nice, actually. I don't think I can be asked decorating them. So guys, they're pretty good, to be honest, to say that I like did the steps like all wrong. But this video hopefully will go up on YouTube, but I'm not sure. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you did like the video. If you didn't, then go away. Nobody wants you. So hope you guys did like this video. Can't bother decorating them, so this is it for this video. Peace.